children, welcome to our maths class. In our previous class, we have completed in exercise 3.1, we have completed up to 6th problem. Up to 6th problem we have completed. In that 6 problems, if you have any doubts, ask to me, I'll explain again. Now, 6 problems has completed. Now the 7th problem. In exercise 3.1, 7th problem. The 7th problem question is, write the smallest digit and the greatest possible digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number are divisible by 3. Have you understood the question? Write the smallest digit and the greatest possible digit. We have to write either, that is small. We have to write both smaller digit and greater digit in the blank space of each of the following. They have given these blanks. In that blanks we have to write the smallest digit and the greatest possible digits. Not all, only possible digits. So the number formed by the digits are, now if I have written, we will write something, that means we are writing here one possible greatest number and one possible smallest number. After writing, the formation of that number should divisible by 3. మనం రాసిన నెంబర్ రాసిన తర్వాత నెంబర్ 3 తో divisible అవ్వాలి కంపల్సరీ. The number should divisible by 3. Then which number we have to write? Then here read the question once again. Write the smallest digit. They are saying digits. They are not saying numbers. Digits means one digit numbers. Numbers are two digits. So digit and the greatest possible digits. Smallest possible digit, greatest possible digits, both we have to write. First of all, we have to know what are the smallest possible digits, what are the greatest possible digits. Now digits means digits are starts from 0 onwards. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the smallest and the greatest possible digits. Now out of these 9 digits we have to find which number we have to write in the given space. Now we will find. First question they have given 6, 7, 2, 4. In the 6, 7, 2, 4 what you have to write? You have to write either 0 or 1 or 2 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. Out of that all, which number you have to write? Which number you have to write? After the writing the number should divisible by 3. Now first we have 0. So we will try with 0. If you have written 0 here, 0 plus 6. What is the divisibility rule for 3, Nana? If the sum of the digits are divisible by 3, then the total number is exactly divisible by 3. Now if you have written here 0, 0 plus 6 is 6, 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 2, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 4 19. Is 19 is divisible by 3? No, not divisible by 3. So here no need to write 0. After 0 what you have to write? Check with 1. If you have written here 1, then what you will get? 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 4 20. Is 20 is divisible by 3? No, not divisible by 3. So here no 1 kuda kaadu. After 1 what is the next number? 1 tarvata next number into 2. So write here 2 and say, if you have written here 2, 2 plus 6. So 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 7 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 4 19. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 2. So 17, 17 plus 4 21. Is 21 means 21 is a 2-digit number. Until you have to add, until you will get 1 digit. 1 digit whichever catch kada. So 2 plus 1 it gives 3. Is 3 is divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible. So the smallest possible number is 3. So what you have to write here? In the space you have to write 2 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. It gives 21. So 2 is the smallest digit. Afterwards we will write. Next 2 has completed. Next we will try with 3. Until we will now with 2 has completed. Next we will try with 3 now. If you have written with 3 here, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 2 18 plus 4 22. Is 22 is divisible by 3? No, not divisible. So 3 is not our answer. After 3 the next number is 4. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 2 19, 19 plus 4 22. Is 22 is divisible by 3? No, not divisible. After 4 what is the next number? 5. Then try with 5. 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 2 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Is 24 is divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible. But they are asking the smaller number and greater number. Smaller number అడిగారు, greater number అడిగారు. ఇక్కడ 5 కంటే greater numbers కూడా ఉన్నాయి కదా. So for each and every digit you will try until up to 9. 9 వరకు try చేయాలి. After 5, what is the next number we have to take? 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 7 19. 19 plus 2 21. 21 plus 4 25. Is 25 is divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible. It is divisible. After 6, the next number is 7. 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. 7 plus 6 13. 13 plus 7 20. 20 plus 2 22. 22 plus 4 26. Is 26 is divisible by 3? No, not divisible. After 7, what is the next number? 8. 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 7 21. 21 plus 2 23. 23 plus 4 27. Is 27 is divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible. 7 plus 2 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible. Next, last which is 9. 9 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. 9 plus 6 15. 15 plus 7 22. 22 plus 2 24. 24 plus 4 28. Is 28 is divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible. So 5 and 8 2 5 8. These numbers are divisible by 3. Out of the 2 and 5 and 8, what is the smaller number and what is the greater number? 2 is the smaller number, 8 is the greater number. So the smallest possible digit is 2, the greatest possible digit is 8. For each and every number you have to check like this one. Understand? So in the space you have to take 2. 2 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. It gives 21. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus 2 17. 17 plus 4 21. 21 is divisible by 3. Next to C8. 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 7 21. 21 plus 2 23. 23 plus 4 27. So 2 is the smallest number. 8 is greatest. Two is smaller number, 8 is greatest number. Now first one has completed. Now they ask both smallest digit and greatest digit. We have written smallest possible digit is 2, greatest possible digit is 8. Then second one 4 7 6 5 dash 2. Then which smallest number? First we will try for. Now see Nana. If you have go from here to here, these are the smallest number. Small to big order it is. Then after we will get smaller number. Smaller number is again మనం ఏం చేద్దాం అంటే రివర్స్ ని ట్రై చేద్దాం. Greater possible digit ని ట్రై చేద్దాం. Then we will get easy. So first 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5. First we will try with 0. 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 6 17. 17 plus 5 22. 22 plus 0. 22 plus 0 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. Is 24 is divisible by 2? Sorry, is 24 is divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible. So with 0 it is possible. Next we will try with 1. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. 4 plus 7 11. 11 plus 6 17. 17 plus 5 22. 22 plus 1 23. 23 plus 2 25. 25 is not divisible by 3. Next we will try with 2. 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. Why I am taking each and every time digit? దీన్ని యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ పోవచ్చు కానీ ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేస్తానంటే యూ విల్ గెట్ మోర్ ఫాస్ట్ అడిషన్ ఫాస్ట్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఇన్ అడిషన్లో ఫాస్ట్గా క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ వస్తుంది మీకు 4 plus 7 11 11 plus 6 17 like this 17 plus 5 22 22 plus 2 24 24 plus 2 26 is 26 is divisible by 3? No, not divisible. Next we will try with 1 2 has completed 3 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 4 plus 7 11 11 plus 6 17 17 plus 5 22 22 plus 3 25 25 plus 2 27. Yes, 27 is divisible by 3. It is divisible but more greater numbers are there, so we have to go for with them. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3, sorry, plus 4 plus 2. See now, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All digits we have to take. 7, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 22 plus 4, 26, 26 plus 2, 28. 28 is not divisible. Afterwards we have to take 5. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2. 4 plus 11, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 22 plus 5, 27, 27 plus 2, 29. 29 is not divisible with 3. After 5, the next number is 6. We'll calculate here only. 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 22 plus 6, 28, 28 plus 2, 30. Yes, 30 is divisible with 3. So, 6 is also for 6. There is possibility. After 6, what is the next number? 7 we have to take. 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 22 plus 7, 29, 29 plus 2, 31. With 7 that is not possible. 31 is not divisible with 7. So, with 7 that is not possible. Next we will go with 8. 11, 6, 17, 22, 22 plus 8, 30, 30 plus 2, 32. With 32 also not possible. So, with 8 also not possible. Last with 9. 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 22 plus 9, 31, 31 plus 2, 30, 31 plus 2, 33. Yes, 33 is divisible by 3 because 3 plus 3 is 6. Now, which and which numbers are divisible by 3? 0 is possible, 3 is possible, 9 is possible. 0, 3, 9. What is the smaller number? What is the greater number? 0 is the smaller number, 9 is the greater number. So, you have to write here. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 0 plus 2. It gives 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 22 plus 2, 24. Next 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 2. Just now we have calculated, we got 33. So 0 is the smallest number. Is the smallest number. 9 is the greatest number. Next, last one. 7, 2, 2, 1 dash 5. We have to calculate with each and every digit. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 5, 17. If you add 0, then you will get 17. So, 0 is not possible. Next, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So, with 1, there is a possibility. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 5, 19. With 2, not possible. Next, 7 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. With 20 is not divisible by 3. Next, 4, 9, 11, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 5, 21. With 4 there is a possibility. 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 5, 22 is not divisible by 3. Next, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 5, 23 is not divisible by 6. Next, 7, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 5, 24, 24 is divisible with 3. Next, with 8, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, it is not divisible. 12 plus 9, 21, 21 plus 5, 26, 26 is not divisible. So, the 12 plus 9, 20 is 21 plus 5, 26. Yes, it is not possible. So, with 1 and with 7, 1, 4, 7. These three digits are possible. Smaller number is 1, greater number is 7. So, 1 and 7 both are possible. The smaller number is 1, greater number is 7. Smaller number is 1, greater number is 7. Then you have to write here directly 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. Next, 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 5. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 1 12, 12 plus 5 22, 22 plus 7 30. Sorry, Nana. 7 plus 2, 7 only, okay. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 1 12, 12 plus 7 21, 21 plus 5 26. Sorry. So 1 is the smallest number. Seven is the greatest number. Seventh problem has completed. You have to write like this only. Next, eighth problem also is there. The eighth question is find the smallest number that must be added to 123 so that it becomes exactly divisible by 5. Have you understood? They are asking which number we have to add 123 to. After adding that number by 123, that number should exactly divisible by 5. 123 की a number नी add చేస్తే అది 125 తో exactly that number should exactly divisible by 5. That means which number we have to add. Here also which number we have to add means after 123 only we have to check. After 123, what is the next number? 124. Is 124 exactly divisible by 5? No. To get 124, what you are adding to 123? 1 you are adding. By adding 1 to 123, we will get 124. But this 124 is not divisible by 5. Then after 124, what is the next number? 125. To get 125, how much we are adding to 123? 125 రావడానికి 123 కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం మనము? We are adding 2. By adding 2 to the 123, we got here 125. Now you have to check here. Is the 125 divisible by 5? What is the divisibility rule for 5, Nana? If a number should divisible by 5, either you have 0 or 5 in the ones place. Then only it is possible to divisible with 5. So what do you have in the ones place? 5. Now we have 5 in the ones place. If you have 5, is the number is divisible by 5? Yes, it is divisible. So 125 is divisible by 5. So we have to add 2 to the 125 to it is divisible with 5. Solution: find the smallest number that must be added to 123. So we have to add 2 to the 123. 123 plus 2 it is 125. By adding 2, 123 becomes 125. 125 is divisible by 5. Is divisible by 5. How you are saying that divisible by 5 means divisible based on the divisibility rule for 5. If you have 0 or 5 in the ones place, then the number is exactly divisible by 5. 123 కి 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే 125 అవుతుంది. ఆ 125 అనేది 5 తో ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. మనం కూడా చెప్పాలి కదా, దట్ నంబర్ షుడ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ డివిజిబుల్ బై 5. 125 is exactly divisible by 5. Next, ninth question. Find the smallest number that has to be subtracted from 256 so that it becomes exactly divisible by 10. Same like that only. That they are asking, we have to add something. Here they are asking, we have to subtract something. Find the smallest number that has to be subtracted. We have to subtract smallest number only. Which number we have to subtract from the 256 to divisible by 10? 256 నుండి ఏ నెంబర్ ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఆ నెంబర్ 6 తో 10 తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుందని అడుగుతున్నారు. Now the smallest number that has to be subtracted from 256, so that is exactly divisible by 10 is, we'll go for one method Nana here. Now they are asking with divisible with 10, no? Now we are only directly subtract here. Given number is 256. Now do division with 256. Divide 256 with 10. In 10 table 25 is not possible. Then what you have to take? You have to take 10 2s are 20. 10 2s are 20. 5 minus 0 it gives 5. 2 minus 2 it's 0. No need to write 0 after 5. You have 6 here. Take directly 6. In 10 table 56 not possible. 10 5s are 50. So 6 minus 0 is 6 only. So from this 256 you have to subtract 6. Then if you subtract 256 minus 6, then you will get 250. Is 250 is divisible by 10? Yes, it is divisible. What is the divisibility rule for 10? Nana? If you have 0 in the ones place, then the number is exactly divisible. So if you have any doubt, check. 250 with 10. 10 2s are 20. 5 means here we have 0. 10 5s are 50. 25 10s are 250. That means 250 is exactly divisible by 5. Then what you have to write here? We have to subtract 6 from 256. So 256 minus 6 it gives 250. Now this 250 is exactly divisible by 10. 250 is exactly divisible by 10. Exactly divisible by 10. How we are saying that is exactly divisible? Because based on the divisibility rule, if we have 0 in the ones place, then the number is exactly divisible by 10. In the 250 in the ones place we have 0, so it is divisible by 10. So in exercise 3.1, these 3 problems are your homework. Complete your homework up to here. In the next class we will go for next exercise.